Hello friends, welcome to Suji Tech Academy. We will watch line by line question and answers from the third lesson State Government in 10th Standard Civics Social Science samacheer book fully in English medium. I have taken around 90 plus line by line question and answers with book back questions from this lesson. Now let us see one by one. First question, the Constitution of India envisages for a federal government having separate systems of administration for dash. Option A, the Union. Option B, the states. Option C, the country. Option D, both A and B. Correct answer is option D, both A and B. Question number 2, there are dash including one national capital territory known as Delhi in India. Option A, 28 states, 9 union territories. Option B, 28 states, 8 union territories. Option C, 29 states, 9 union territories. Option D, 29 states, 8 union territories. Correct answer is option B, 28 states, 8 union territories. Question number 3, identify the correct statement. Statement 1, the Constitution contains provisions for the governance of both the Union and the states. Statement 2, it lays down a uniform structure for the state government in Part 6 of the Constitution from Article 152 to 237, which is applicable to all the states. Option A, Statement 1 only correct. Option B, Statement 2 only correct. Option C, both Statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both Statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 4. The structure of the state government as formed in the center consists of 3 branches, namely dash. Option A, the executive. Option B, the legislature. Option C, the judiciary. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 5. Dash is the constitutional head of the state executive. Option A, the chief minister. Option B, the governor. Option C, the advocate general. Option D, the chief justice of high court. Correct answer is option B, the governor. This is a screenshot for the structure of state government. Executive, legislature, judiciary. In executive, governor, chief minister, council of ministers. In legislature, there are 2 types: legislative council, upper house; legislative assembly, lower house. In judiciary, high court, district courts, and other courts. Question number 6, identify the correct statement. Statement 1, generally there is a separate governor in each state. Statement 2, but if the situation warrants so, the same person may be appointed as the governor of 2 or more states. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 7. Dash vests the executive power of the state in the governor. Option A, Article 152. Option B, Article 153. Option C, Article 154. Option D, Article 155. Correct answer is option C, Article 154. Question number 8. Identify the correct statement. Appointment of governor. 1. The governor of a state shall be appointed by the president. 2. His usual term of office is 5 years, but he holds office during the pleasure of the president. 3. Generally, the governor does not belong to the state where he is appointed. 4. He can also be transferred from one state to another by the president. 5. He can also resign any time by addressing his resignation to the president. Option A, 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B, 1, 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C, 1, 3, 4, 5 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is Option D. All are correct. Question number 9. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The legislature of a state or a high court has role in the removal of a governor. Statement 2. A person may be appointed as a governor for any number of times. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option B. Statement 2 only correct. In statement 1, here High Court has no role should come. The legislature of a state or a high court has no role in the removal of a governor. Correct answer is option B. Statement 2 only correct. Question number 10. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Two conventions have been set up in the matter of appointing a person as governor of a state. Statement 2. Governor should be a resident of the state concerned and the state government concerned is consulted and its views are sought regarding the proposed choice. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option A. Statement 1 only correct. In statement 2, the governor should come. Not we have to add. Governor should not be a resident of the state. Correct answer is option A. Statement 1 only correct. Question number 11. According to Dash, where the same person is appointed as governor of two or more states, the emoluments and allowances payable to the governor shall be allocated among the states in such proportion as the president may by order determine. Option A. Article 158.1. Option B. Article 158.2. Option C. Article 158.3. Option D. Article 158.3a. Correct answer is option D. Article 158.3a. Question number 12. Dash of the Constitution of India specify eligibility requirement for the post of governor. Option A. Article 155. Option B. Article 156. Option C. Article 157. Option D. Article 158. Correct answer is option C. Article 157. Question number 13. Identify which are correct. Qualification of the governor. 1. He should be a citizen of India. 2. He must have completed 35 years of age. 3. He should not be a member of parliament or of any state legislature. If he is a member of any of legislature, he automatically vacates his seat on assuming the office. 4. He should not hold any other profitable occupation. Option A. 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B. 1, 2, 4 only correct. Option C. 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D. All are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 14. Dash is the head of the state executive and he has other powers. Option A. The chief minister. Option B. The governor. Option C. The president. Option D. The chief justice of high court. Correct answer is option B. The governor. Question number 15. In the exercise of functions on the powers, the governor, except in some cases, is to be guided by the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, headed by the Chief Minister under Dash. Option A. Article 160. Option B. Article 161. Option C. Article 162. Option D. Article 163. Correct answer is option D. Article 163. Question number 16. Which one is or are correct? Executive powers. 1. The governor appoints the leader of the majority party in the state legislative assembly as the chief minister of the state. 2. He appoints other members of the Council of Ministers on the recommendation of the Chief Minister. 3. He appoints the chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission. 4. He appoints the State Election Commissioner and determines his conditions of service and tenure of office. 5. He acts as the Chancellor of Universities in the state. He also appoints the Vice Chancellors of Universities in the state. 6. He directly rules a state when there is the imposition of the President's rule in the state. Option A 1, 2, 4, 5 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 5 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 17. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The governor is an integral part of the state legislature. Statement 2. He is a member in the either house of the legislature. Statement 3. In this capacity, he enjoys the legislative powers and functions. Option A. Statement 1, 2 only correct. Option B. Statement 2, 3 only correct. Option C. Statement 1, 3 only correct. Option D. All statements are correct. Correct answer is option C. Statement 1, 3 only correct. In statement 1, he is not a member should have include. We have to include not. He is not a member in the either house of the legislature. Correct answer is option C. Statement 1, 3 only correct. Question number 18. Which one is error correct? Legislative powers and functions for governor. 1. The governor has the right to summon, prorogue the state legislature and dissolve the state legislative assembly. 2. He can address the state legislature at the commencement of the first session after each general election and the first session of each year. 3. He can send messages to the houses of the state legislature relating to a bill pending in the legislature. 4. He can appoint any member of the Legislative Assembly to preside over its proceedings when the offices of both the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker fall vacant. Option A 1 to 4 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 19. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The governor can nominate one member to the state legislative assembly from the Anglo-Indian community. Statement 2. He nominates 1 by 6 of the members of the state legislative council from amongst the persons having special knowledge or practical experience in literature, science, art, cooperative movement and social service. Option A statement 1 only correct. Option B statement 2 only correct. Option C both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 20. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Every bill passed by the state legislature will become law only after governor's signature. Statement 2. But when a bill is sent to the governor after it is passed by the legislature, he has the options to give his assent to the bill or withhold his assent to the bill or return the bill for the reconsideration of the legislature. Option A statement 1 only correct. Option B statement 2 only correct. Option C both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 21. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The governor can promulgate ordinances when the state legislature is not in session under Article 213. Statement 2. But these ordinances must be approved by the legislature within 3 months. Statement 3. He can also withdraw an ordinance at any time. Option A statement 1, 2 only correct. Option B statement 2, 3 only correct. Option C statement 1, 3 only correct. Option D all statements are correct. Correct answer is option C. Statement 1, 3 only correct. In statement 2, instead of 3 months, 6 months should come. These ordinances must be approved by the legislature within 6 months. Correct answer is option C. Statement 1-3 only correct. Question number 22. The governor has to lay the annual reports of dash relating to the accounts of the state before the state legislature. Option A, the State Finance Commission. Option B, the State Public Service Commission. Option C, the Comptroller and Auditor General. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 23. Which one is or are correct? Financial powers. 1. The Constitution confers on the governor the duty to get prepared and introduced to the state legislature the annual budget and also the supplementary budgets if necessary. 2. Money bills can be introduced in the legislature assembly only with his prior recommendation. 3. He can make advances out of the state contingency fund to meet any unforeseen expenditure. 4. He constitutes a finance commission after every 5 years to review the financial position of the panchayats and the municipalities. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 24. Which one is or are correct? Judicial powers. 1. The governor appoints the Attorney General of the state. 2. He makes appointment, postings and promotions of the district judges in consultation with the state high court. 3. The Chief Justice of the High Court in the state is appointed by the President in consultation with him. 4. He can pardon, commute or reprieve punishment on receipt of the appeals for mercy except death sentence. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 25. Which one is or are correct? Discretionary powers. 1. The governor can reserve a bill for the consideration of the president. 2. He can call the leader of any party to form ministry in the state when there is no clear-cut majority to any party in the legislative assembly after the general elections. 3. He can dismiss the Council of Ministers when it is unable to prove the confidence of the Legislative Assembly. Option A 1, 2 only correct. Option B 2, 3 only correct. Option C 1, 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 26. Which one is or are correct? Emergency powers. 1. If the governor is satisfied that the government of the state is not carried on in accordance with the provisions of the constitution, he may, under Article 352, recommend to the president to impose president rule in that state. 2. As soon as the president rule is imposed, the administration of the state is carried on by the governor as a representative of the president. Option A 1 only correct. Option B 2 only correct. Option C both 1, 2 are correct. Option D both 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option B 2 only correct. In 1, instead of Article 352, 356 should come. Article 356. Correct answer is option B 2 only correct. Question number 27. Dash provides for the privileges for the governor. Option A Article 361. Option B Article 361(1). Option C Article 363. Option D Article 364. Correct answer is option B Article 361(1). Question number 28. Identify the correct statement. Privileges of the governor. Article 361(1). Statement 1. The governor of a state is be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his office or for any act done or purporting to be done by him in the exercise and performance of those powers and duties. Statement 2. No process for the arrest or imprisonment of the governor of a state shall issue from any court during his term of office. Option A statement 1 only correct. Option B statement 2 only correct. Option C both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option B statement 2 only correct. In statement 1, the governor of a state is not B should come. We have to include not. The governor of a state is not be answerable to any court. Correct answer is option B statement 2 only correct. Question number 29. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. In the scheme of parliamentary system of government provided by the Constitution, the Chief Minister is the nominal executive authority and the Governor is the real executive authority. Statement 2. In other words, the Chief Minister is the head of the state while the Governor is the head of the government. Option A statement 1 only correct. Option B statement 2 only correct. Option C both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Here, in statement 1, the chief minister, the governor are to be interchanged. Likewise, in statement 2, the chief minister and the governor are to be interchanged. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Question number 30. Which one is or are correct? The appointment of the chief minister. 1. The chief minister is appointed by the governor of the state. 2. Term of the chief minister is fixed. 3. He may remain as the chief minister as long as he enjoys the support of the majority of the members of the legislative assembly. 4. He has to resign when he loses confidence of the majority in the assembly. 5. It is understood that normally he completes 5 years term like other members in the legislative assembly. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 4 only correct. Option C 1 3 4 5 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option C 1 3 4 5 only correct. In 2, term of the chief minister is not fixed one. We have to include not. Is not fixed. Correct answer is option C 1 3 4 5 only correct. Question number 31. Which one is or are correct? Powers and functions of the Chief Minister relating to the Council of Ministers. 1. The Chief Minister recommends the persons who can be appointed as ministers by Governor. 2. He allocates the portfolios among the ministers. 3. He shuffles and reshuffles each ministry. 4. He presides over the meetings of the Council of Ministers and influences its decisions. 5. He guides, directs, controls and coordinates the activities of all the ministers. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 4 only correct. Option C 1 3 4 5 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 32. Which one is or are correct? Powers and functions of the Chief Minister relating to the Governor. The Chief Minister advises the Governor in relation to the appointment of the following officials. 1. Advocate General of the State. 2. State Election Commissioner. 3. Chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission. 4. Chairman and members of the State Planning Commission. 5. Chairman and members of the State Finance Commission. Option A 1 2 only correct. Option B 2 3 4 only correct. Option C 1 3 5 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D all are correct. Question number 33. Which one is or are correct? Powers and functions of the Chief Minister relating to state legislature. 1. The Chief Minister advises the Governor with regard to the summoning and proroguing the sessions of the state legislature. 2. He announces the government policies on the floor of the House. 3. He can introduce the bills in the Legislative Assembly. 4. He can recommend for the dissolution of the Legislative Assembly to the Governor anytime. Option A, 1, 2 only correct. Option B, 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C, 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 34. Which one is or are correct? 1. The Council of Ministers are collectively responsible to the state legislature. 2. All the members of the Council of Ministers must be the members of the state legislature. 3. Those who are not the members at the time of their appointment must secure their seats in the legislature within a period of 6 months. 4. If a no confidence motion is passed by the Legislative Assembly, the State Ministry shall resign. Option A, 1, 2 only correct. Option B, 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C, 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 35. Dash provides for a council of ministers to aid and advise the governor. Option A, Article 163. Option B, Article 164. Option C, Article 165. Option D, Article 166. Correct answer is option A, Article 163. Question number 36. According to Dash, there shall be a council of ministers with the chief minister at the head to aid and advise the governor in the exercise of his functions, except in so far as he is by or under this constitution required to exercise his functions or any of them in his discretion. Option A, Article 161. Option B, Article 162. Option C, Article 163 1. Option D, Article 164 1. Correct answer is option C, Article 163 1. Question number 37. Dash holds that the chief minister shall be appointed by the governor. Option A, Article 162. Option B, Article 163 1. Option C, Article 164 1. Option D, Article 165. Correct answer is option C, Article 164 1. Question number 38. Dash states that the total number of ministers, including the chief minister, in the council of ministers in a state shall not exceed 15% of the total number of members of the legislative assembly. Option A, Article 162. Option B, Article 163 1. Option C, Article 164 1. Option D, Article 164 1A. Correct answer is option D, Article 164 1A. Question number 39. Which one is or are correct? The functions and powers of the Council of Ministers. 1. It formulates and designs the policies of the state and implements them effectively. 2. It designs the legislative programs of the Legislative Assembly and sponsors all important bills. 3. It controls the financial policy and designs the tax structure for the public welfare of the state. 4. It makes the important appointments of the heads of the departments. 5. It discusses and takes efforts on the dispute with other states. 6. It frames the proposal for incurring expenditure out of state reserves. 7. It decides all the bills, whether ordinary bills or money bills, to be introduced in the Legislative Assembly. Option A, 1, 2 only correct. Option B, 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C, 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 40. Each minister of the Council of Ministers dash the department concerned. Option A, supervisors. Option B, controls. Option C, coordinates. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 41. Annual financial statement called as the budget is finalized by dash. Option A, the Council of Ministers. Option B, the Governor. Option C, the Chief Minister. Option D, the President. Correct answer is option A, the Council of Ministers. Question number 42. Which one is or are correct? 1. The Constitution provides a legislature for every state. 2. Most of the states have only unicameral legislature, that is Legislative Assembly. 3. Some state has bicameral legislatures. Option A 1 only correct. Option B 2 only correct. Option C 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 43. States those have bicameral legislatures or dash. Option A Bihar, Karnataka. Option B Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. Option C Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Option D all the above. Correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 44. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The lower house legislative council represents the people of the state. Statement 2. The upper house legislative assembly represents special interests like teachers, graduates and local governments. Option A statement 1 only correct. Option B statement 2 only correct. Option C both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. In statement 1 and statement 2, legislative council and legislative assembly are to be interchanged. Legislative assembly should come in statement 1, that is lower house. Legislative council should come in statement 2, upper house. Correct answer is option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Question number 45. In Tamil Nadu, according to the strength of Legislative Assembly, 234 members, the number of ministers may be up to dash, that is 15% of 234. Option A 34, option B 36, option C 38, option D 40. Correct answer is option B 36. Question number 46. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The Legislative Assembly is a popular house. Statement 2. It is the real center of power in the state. Statement 3. It consists of members directly elected by the people on the basis of adult franchise. Option A statement 1 only correct. Option B statement 2 only correct. Option C statement 3 only correct. Option D all statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 47. The strength of the assembly varies from state to state depending on dash. Option A the poverty. Option B the literacy rate. Option C the population. Option D the economy. Correct answer is option C the population. Question number 48. The maximum strength of the assembly must not exceed dash or its minimum strength not be below dash. Option A 550, 40. Option B 500, 45. Option C 550, 50. Option D 500, 60. Correct answer is option D 500, 60. The maximum strength of the assembly must not exceed 500 or its minimum strength not be below 60. Correct answer is option D 500, 60. Question number 49. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The term of office of the Legislative Assembly is 5 years. Statement 2. It can be dissolved even before the expiry of its term. Option is statement 1 only correct. Option B statement 2 only correct. Option C both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 50. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The size of the Legislative Council cannot be more than two-thirds the membership of the Legislative Assembly, lower house of the state. Statement 2. But its size cannot be less than 40. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option B. Statement 2 only correct. In statement 1, instead of two-third, one-third should come. One-third. Correct answer is option B. Statement 2 only correct. Question number 51. The Legislative Assembly of Tamil Nadu consists of 235 members, out of which dash members are directly elected by the people from the constituencies on the basis of adder and dash member is nominated by the governor from the Anglo-Indian community. Option A 234 1, option B 233 2, option C 232 3, option D 231 4. Correct answer is option A 234, 1. Question number 52. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. A smaller body called cabinet is the nucleus of the council of ministers. Statement 2. It consists of only the cabinet ministers. Statement 3. It is a real center of authority in the state government. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Statement 3 only correct. Option D. All statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 53. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The cabinet works through various committees called cabinet committees. Statement 2. They are of two types, standing and ad hoc. Statement 3. The former are of a temporary nature while the latter are of a permanent nature. Option A. Statement 1 2 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 3 only correct. Option C. Statement 1 3 only correct. Option D. All statements are correct. Correct answer is option A. Statement 1 2 only correct. In statement 3, temporary and permanent should be interchanged. The former are of a permanent nature while the latter are of a temporary nature. Standing and ad hoc. Correct answer is option A. Statement 1 2 only correct. Question number 54. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The Legislative Assembly elects two of its members as the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Statement 2. The Speaker may be removed from office by a resolution of the Assembly after giving a 14 days notice. Statement 3. Such a resolution must be passed by a majority of the members present at the time of voting. Option A statement 1 2 only correct. Option B statement 2 3 only correct. Option C statement 1 3 only correct. Option D all statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 55. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The Speaker vacates his office when Legislative Assembly is dissolved. Statement 2. He continues to be the Speaker until the first sitting of the new Assembly. Statement 3. While the office of the Speaker is vacant, the Deputy Speaker performs his functions. Option A statement 1 2 only correct. Option B statement 2 3 only correct. Option C statement 1 3 only correct. Option D all statements are correct. Correct answer is option B. Statement 1 2 3 only correct. In statement 1, the Speaker doesn't should come. Does not vacate. The Speaker does not vacate his office when Legislative Assembly is dissolved. Correct answer is option B, statement 2, 3 only correct. Question number 56. Dash is the upper house of the state legislature. Option A, the Legislative Council. Option B, the Vidhan Parishads. Option C, Rajya Sabha. Option D, all the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 57. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The Vidhan Parishads Legislative Council forms a part of the state legislatures of India. Statement 2. In 6 of India's 28 states, the Legislative Council serves as the indirectly elected upper house of a bicameral legislature. Statement 3. It is also a permanent house because it can be dissolved. Option A, statement 1, 2 only correct. Option B, statement 2, 3 only correct. Option C, statement 1, 3 only correct. Option D, all statements are correct. Correct answer is option A, statement 1, 2 only correct. In statement 3, here it cannot should come. Not we have to include. It cannot be dissolved. It is also a permanent house because it cannot be dissolved. Correct answer is option A, statement 1, 2 only correct. Question number 58. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Every member of Legislative Council (MLC) serves for a 6-year term with terms staggered so that the terms of one-third of members expire every 2 years. Statement 2. MLCs must be citizens of India, not under 30 years of age, mentally sound, and his name should be in the voters list of the state from which he or she is contesting the election. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 59. The Tamil Nadu Legislative Council was abolished by Tamil Nadu Legislative Council Abolition Bill 1986, which came into force on the dash. Option A, 1st October 1986. Option B, 8th October 1986. Option C, 1st November 1986. Option D, 18th November 1986. Correct answer is 1st November 1986. Question number 60. Which statement is or are correct? Election to Legislative Council. 1. 1 by 3 of the members are elected by local bodies. 2. 1 by 12 of the members are elected by graduates of the universities in the state. 3. 1 by 12 of the members are elected by graduate teachers. 4. 1 by 3 of the members are elected by the members of the Legislative Assembly. 5. 1 by 6 is nominated by the governor who is eminent in the field of literacy, excellence, art, social services or cooperation. Option A, 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B, 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C, 1, 2, 3, 5 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 61. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The chairman is the presiding officer of the upper house. Statement 2. The members elect a chairman and a deputy chairman from amongst themselves. Statement 3. In the absence of the chairman, the deputy chairman officiates the functions of the legislative council. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, statement 3 only correct. Option D, all statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 62. Dash deals with the creation or abolition of legislative council in a state. Option A, Article 166. Option B, Article 167. Option C, Article 168. Option D, Article 169. Correct answer is option D, Article 169. Question number 63. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Article 169 holds that if the state legislative assembly passes a resolution by a majority of not less than one-third of the members present and voting. Statement 2. By the majority of total strength of the House requesting the Parliament to create or abolish the state legislative council, then the Parliament may by law provide for the abolition and creation of the legislative council. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option B. Statement 2 only correct. In statement 1, in the place of one third, 2 by 3 should come. 2/3. 2/3 of the members present. Correct answer is option B. Statement 2 only correct. Question number 64. Which one is or are correct? Functions of the state legislature. 1. Legislative powers. 2. Financial powers. 3. Controls over the executive. Option A 1, 2 only correct. Option B 2, 3 only correct. Option C 1, 3 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 65. Which one is or are correct? Legislative powers. 1. The state legislature can pass laws on all subjects mentioned in the state list as per the constitution. 2. It cannot pass laws on concurrent subjects. 3. The state-made law in a concurrent subject will become inoperative when the centre also passes a law on the same subject. 4. The passing of bill into law follows the same procedure as in the Union Parliament. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Into we have to remove not. It can also pass laws on concurrent subjects. Not should not come. It can pass laws on concurrent subjects. Correct answer is option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Question number 66. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. In state legislature, every bill passes through 3 readings. Statement 2. Then it becomes an act with the governor's assent. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 67. Which one is or are correct? Financial powers. 1. The legislature controls the finances of the state. 2. The lower house enjoys greater power than the upper house in the money matters. 3. Money bills can be introduced only in the lower house or the assembly. 4. New tax can be levied without the sanction and permission of the assembly. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. In 4, no we have to include. No new tax. No new tax can be levied. Correct answer is option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Question number 68. Which one is or are correct? Controls over the executive. 1. The Council of Ministers is responsible to the Assembly. 2. The ministers have to answer questions asked by the members of the legislature. 3. They can be removed from office if the Assembly passes a vote of no confidence motion against the ministry. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 2, 3, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 69. The institution of High Court originated in India in dash when the High Courts were set up at Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. Option A 1860, option B 1861, option C 1862, option D 1863. Correct answer is option C 1862. Question number 70. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. Each province in British India came to have its own High Court. Statement 2. After 1950, a High Court existing in a province became the High Court for the corresponding state. Statement 3. The High Courts are the highest courts at state level. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Statement 3 only correct. Option D. All statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 71. The Constitution of India provides for a High Court for each state, but the dash authorized the Parliament to establish a common High Court for two or more states and a union territory. Option A 7th Amendment Act of 1955. Option B 7th Amendment Act of 1956. Option C 7th Amendment Act of 1957. Option D 7th Amendment Act of 1958. Correct answer is option B 7th Amendment Act of 1956. Question number 72. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The states of Punjab and Haryana and the Union Territory of Chandigarh have a common High Court situated at Chandigarh. Statement 2. The High Court of Guwahati is common for four northeastern states of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. Statement 3. The High Court of Guwahati has its benches in Itanagar, Kohima and Aizwal. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Statement 3 only correct. Option D. All statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 73. Identify the correct statement. 1. Delhi, though not a state, has its own separate High Court. 2. Every High Court has a Chief Justice and a number of judges. 3. The number of judges varies from state to state. 4. The number of judges of each High Court is determined by the President. Option A 1, 2, 3 only correct. Option B 1, 3, 4 only correct. Option C 1, 4 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. Question number 74. At present, there are dash high courts for 28 states and 8 union territories. Option A 22, option B 23, option C 24, option D 25. Correct answer is option D 25. Question number 75. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The High Court of Madras is the one of the three High Courts in India established in the three presidency towns of Bombay, Calcutta and Madras by letters patent granted by Queen Victoria bearing date 26 June 1862. Statement 2. The High Court building is the second largest judicial complex in the world after London. Option A. Statement 1 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 only correct. Option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Option D. Both statement 1, 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1, 2 are correct. Question number 76. In their judicial capacity, the High Courts of the Presidency towns Bombay, Calcutta and Madras have both original and appellate jurisdictions, while other High Courts have mostly dash. Option A. Original jurisdiction. Option B. Appellate jurisdiction. Option C. Writ jurisdiction. Option D. Supervisory jurisdiction. Correct answer is option B. Appellate jurisdiction. Question number 77. Only in matters of dash, high courts have original jurisdiction. Option A. Admiralty. Option B. Probate. Option C. Matrimonial and contempt of court. Option D. All the above. Correct answer is option D, all the above. Question number 78. The Presidency High Courts have original jurisdiction in which the amount involved is more than dash and in criminal cases which are committed to them by the Presidency magistrates. Option A rupees 1000, option B rupees 1500, option C rupees 2000, option D rupees 2500. Correct answer is option C, rupees 2000. Question number 79. Identify the correct statement. Appellate jurisdiction. Statement 1. As courts of appeal, all high courts entertain appeals in civil and criminal cases from their subordinate courts as well as on their own. Statement 2. They have, however, no jurisdiction over tribunals established under the laws relating to the armed forces of the country. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 80. Identify the correct statement. Read jurisdiction. Statement 1. Under Article 226 of the Constitution, the High Courts are given powers of issuing writs not only for the enforcement of the fundamental rights but also for other purposes. Statement 2. In excess of this power, a court may issue the same types of writs, orders or directions which the Supreme Court is empowered to issue under Article 32. Option A, statement 1 only correct. Option B, statement 2 only correct. Option C, both statement 1 2 are correct. Option D, both statement 1 2 are incorrect. Correct answer is option C. Both statement 1 2 are correct. Question number 81. Identify the correct statement. Statement 1. The jurisdiction to issue writs under Article 226-32 is larger in the case of high courts. Statement 2. The Supreme Court can issue writs only where a fundamental right has been infringed. Statement 3. A High Court can issue writs not only in such cases but also where an ordinary legal right has been infringed. It has the power to issue the 5 kinds of writs like habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, quo warranto, certiorari. Option A. Statement 1 1 2 only correct. Option B. Statement 2 3 only correct. Option C. Statement 1 3 only correct. Option D. All statements are correct. Correct answer is option D. All statements are correct. Question number 82. Dash has the power of superintendence over all courts and tribunals functioning in its territorial jurisdiction, except military courts or tribunals. Option A, High Court. Option B, Supreme Court. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, High Court. Question number 83. Identify the correct statement. Supervisory jurisdiction. 1. Call for returns from them. 2. Make and issue general rules and prescribe forms for regulating the practice and proceedings of them. 3. Prescribe forms in which books, entries and accounts are to be kept by them. And 4. Settle the fees payable to the sheriff, clerks, officers and legal practitioners of them. Option A. 1 2 3 only correct. Option B. 1 2 4 only correct. Option C. 1 3 4 only correct. Option D, all are correct. Correct answer is option D, all are correct. Question number 84. Assertion A. High Court also acts as a court of record. Reason are all the decisions and decrees issued by the High Court are printed and are kept as a record for future references by the court as well as by the lawyers if such a need arises. Option A is false but R is true. Option B, A is true but R is false. Option C, both A and R are true and R is the correct reason for A. Option D, both A and R are true and R is not the correct reason for A. Correct answer is option C. Both A and R are true and R is the correct reason for A. This is the screenshot for The statue of Samanidhi Kanda Soyan at Madras High Court. This page is the screenshot for summary and glossary of this lesson. Just go through on this one. Hereafter book back questions. Question number 85. The governor of the state is appointed by the option A Prime Minister, option B Chief Minister, option C President, option D Chief Justice. Correct answer is option C President. Question number 86. The Speaker of a state is a option A Head of State, option B Head of Government, option C President's Agent, option D none of these. Correct answer is option D none of these. Question number 87. Which among the following is not one of the powers of the governor? Option A legislative, option B executive, option C judicial, option D diplomatic. Correct answer is option D diplomatic. Question number 88. Who can nominate one representative of the Anglo-Indian community to the state legislative assembly? Option A the president, option B the governor, option C the chief minister, option D the speaker of state legislature. Correct answer is option B the governor. Question number 89. The governor does not appoint option A chief minister, option B chairman of the state public service commission, option C advocate general of the state, option D judges of the high court. Correct answer is option D judges of the high court. Question number 90. The State Council of Ministers is headed by option A the Chief Minister, option B the Governor, option C the Speaker, option D the Prime Minister. Correct answer is option A the Chief Minister. Question number 91. The minimum age for the membership of the Legislative Council is option A 25 years, option B 21 years, option C 30 years, option D 35 years. Correct answer is option C 30 years. Question number 92. Which one of the following states does not possess a bicameral legislature? Option A Andhra Pradesh, option B Telangana, option C Tamil Nadu, option D Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is option C Tamil Nadu. Question number 93. The high courts in India were first started at option A Calcutta, Bombay, Madras, option B Delhi and Calcutta, option C Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, option D Calcutta, Madras, Delhi. Correct answer is option A Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. Question number 94. Which of the following states have a common high court? Option A Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, option B Kerala and Telangana, option C Punjab and Haryana, option D Maharashtra and Gujarat. Correct answer is option C Punjab and Haryana. Question number 95. Identify which is correct statement. 1. Governor of the state government surrenders his resignation to President. 2. Members of the Legislative Assembly MLAs elected by the people. 3. Governor acts as the Chancellor of universities in the state. 4. The chairman and members of the State Public Service Commission can be removed only by the President. Option A 134 only correct. Option B 234 only correct. Option C 123 only correct. Option D all are correct. Correct answer is option D. All are correct. This is the final question. Question number 96. Match the following. In left side, Governor, Chief Minister, Council of Ministers, MLC, Armed Forces. In right side, Head of the Government, Head of the State, Tribunals responsible for the assembly cannot vote for grants. Option A, ABEDC. Option B, BADEC. Option C, ABDEC. Option D, BACDE. Correct answer is option B, BADEC. Governor, head of the state. Chief Minister, head of the government. Council of Ministers, responsible for the assembly. MLC, cannot vote for grants. Armed forces, tribunals. Correct answer is option B, BADEC. Governor, head of the state. Chief Minister, head of the government. Council of Ministers, responsible for the assembly. MLC, cannot vote for grants. Armed forces, tribunals. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. I think this video will be useful to you. If you like this video, just click like button and share to your friends. Please support us. It will be encourage us to do more videos. Kindly subscribe this channel, then only you will get notifications of our new videos coming updates. Once again, thank you.